NASA astrobiologist explains, what if life as we know it isn't the rule of the universe but the exception? What if the beings we're searching for are so profoundly different from anything we've ever imagined that we might not even recognize them? Right now, humanity is standing on the edge of one of its most fascinating and terrifying questions. Are we alone in the cosmos? Or is there someone out there watching us, just as curious about our existence as we are about theirs? This isn't just science fiction anymore. We're living in a time when our telescopes can peer deeper into the universe than ever before, when our spacecraft are venturing to alien worlds, and when scientists are daring to ask not just if life exists, but what it could possibly look like. The truth is, we have no idea what alien life might resemble. Our understanding of biology is anchored to one single example: Earth. Every assumption we make about life elsewhere is colored by the only life we've ever known, our own. But what if life out there doesn't breathe, eat, or move the way we do? What if it's based on elements we can't even comprehend, living in ways that defy the biology we've spent centuries studying? When we look at the stars, we're really asking a deeper question. Can we even recognize life if we see it? Scientists like those at NASA are pushing the boundaries of this mystery. They're not just searching for aliens in the classic sense, little green beings or humanoid creatures. Instead, they're looking for signs, for whispers of something living in the shadows of faraway planets. Earth is their blueprint, their North Star. We look at frozen moons like Europa and wonder, could its icy oceans be home to life forms adapted to darkness, pressure, and freezing temperatures? We study deserts on Earth that resemble Mars, hoping to learn how life survives in harsh, unforgiving environments. Every step we take in exploring our own planet's extremes gives us clues about what might thrive on others. But here's the mind-bending part. Even with all our technology, what we're searching for might be so alien that our instruments might not even recognize it. Think about it. Life here releases certain gases, oxygen, methane, carbon dioxide, into the atmosphere. When we look at a distant planet, we try to detect similar signatures, hoping they'll reveal a biological process. But what if alien life produces something entirely different? What if its breath is toxic to us, or its chemical processes are invisible to the sensors we've built? This challenge is what makes the hunt for alien life so thrilling and so humbling. Our telescopes are getting sharper. Every year we can see farther into the cosmos, resolving distant stars and planets with increasing clarity. And yet, what we're truly seeking isn't just a beautiful picture. We're looking for evidence, a hint, a clue that something out there is alive. It's like finding a single grain of sand in a desert, except the desert is the entire universe. Scientists call these clues biosignatures, but the difficulty lies in understanding what they really mean. A chemical signature might be caused by life, or it could just be the result of a natural, non-living process. That's why a single discovery will never be enough. We'll need multiple layers of evidence before we can confidently say, yes, this is life. And this process won't be straightforward. It won't be as simple as seeing a single smoking gun that proves aliens exist. Biology is far too complex for that. Imagine trying to explain the entirety of Earth's ecosystems to someone who has never even seen a plant or an animal. How would you describe something as simple as the cycle of eating and waste, or as complex as evolution? The life we're looking for could have a completely different way of interacting with its environment. What it eats, how it reproduces, and even how it poops, as one NASA astrobiologist puts it, could be unlike anything we've ever encountered. And that's where the true excitement lies. Every clue we find will bring more questions, more mysteries, and more wonder. This search isn't just about finding alien microbes or strange creatures swimming beneath an icy moon. It's about something far more profound, understanding our place in the universe. If life can emerge on other worlds, even in the harshest conditions, then life might not be rare. It might be everywhere. It might be as common as the stars themselves, each one surrounded by worlds teeming with possibilities. And if that's true, then what does it mean for us? Are we just one of countless civilizations separated by time and distance? Or are we the first, a fragile flicker of consciousness in an otherwise empty universe? The idea that alien life might be nothing like we expect is both thrilling and unsettling. For centuries, our stories of extraterrestrials have been shaped by our own image, beings with eyes, arms, and familiar faces. But the reality might be far stranger. Life could take forms we can barely imagine. Creatures made of silicon instead of carbon, life that thrives in liquid methane, or organisms that communicate through light or magnetic fields. And when we finally discover it, it may not resemble life as we know it at all. This search is not just about science. It's about imagination. It's about expanding our minds beyond the limits of what we've seen and asking questions that challenge everything we believe about existence. The relationship between a planet's chemistry and the life it supports could be the key to understanding not just alien biology, but the very foundations of life itself. Every discovery we make about other worlds, whether they're dry and barren or rich with oceans, changes the way we see our own. So what will happen when we finally find life? Will we even recognize it? Or will it be so alien, so beyond our comprehension, that it forces us to rethink what it means to be alive? Scientists believe it's not a question of if, but when. The universe is vast. Billions of galaxies, each with billions of stars, each with countless planets. Somewhere out there, life may be waiting for us to notice it. And when we do, it will change everything. But maybe the most important part of this journey isn't just finding alien life. Maybe it's about discovering more about ourselves. We are, after all, a form of life searching for itself. Tiny beings on a blue planet, peering into the cosmos, hoping to find connection in the unknown. Every time we look to the stars, we're asking a question as old as humanity itself. Are we alone? And the answer, whatever it is, will redefine who we are. The search for alien life is no longer a distant dream. It's happening right now. New telescopes like the James Webb Space Telescope are already scanning distant exoplanets, analyzing their atmospheres and looking for signs of habitability. Missions to Mars are drilling into ancient rocks, searching for traces of microbial fossils. Probes are being designed to explore the oceans beneath Europa and Enceladus, where liquid water and heat could create the perfect conditions for life. We're closer than ever to uncovering the truth. And when we do, will you be ready? This is the greatest story of our time. A story of exploration, curiosity, and the unshakable belief that we're not alone. Every step we take brings us closer to answering that question. And when the answer comes, it won't just be about alien life. It will be about life itself, in all its forms, its mysteries, and its beauty.